Natural disasters like floods and landslides can wreak havoc on communities, taking lives and destroying property. But did you know that something as common as soil plays a crucial role in either making these disasters worse or helping to prevent them? We're diving into the fascinating relationship between soil and natural disasters. More specifically, how the properties of soil can either contribute to or help mitigate disasters like floods and landslides. So, let's get into it. When it rains heavily, the soil's ability to absorb water becomes critical. In areas where the soil has poor drainage, the water doesn't seep into the ground, causing runoff that can lead to flooding. But in regions where the soil is more porous, it acts like a sponge, absorbing rainwater and reducing the amount of surface runoff. Different types of soil react differently to rainfall. For example, sandy soils, with their larger particles, allow water to drain quickly, while clay soils with fine particles hold water for a longer period. This can make clay soils prone to waterlogging and, when overwhelmed, lead to surface runoff, increasing the risk of flooding. But it's not just about flooding. Soil can also play a huge role in landslides, especially in hilly or mountainous regions. When heavy rain saturates the soil, the ground becomes more unstable, particularly if the soil is loose or shallow. Soil on steep slopes can easily become unstable if it's wet. This can trigger landslides, where soil and debris slide downhill, sometimes burying homes and infrastructure. However, soil isn't just a problem. In fact, it can also be part of the solution. Let me explain how. Healthy, well-vegetated soil can help mitigate the effects of both floods and landslides. Vegetation, like trees and plants, binds the soil together with their roots, preventing erosion. This is why forested areas are often more stable during heavy rainfall. Vegetation helps slow down runoff and keeps the soil in place. Roots act like a natural barrier against erosion. They create a strong network that holds the soil in place, reducing the likelihood of landslides. There are also engineering solutions that work with soil properties to reduce disaster risks. For instance, in landslide-prone areas, terracing can slow down the movement of water, while planting deep-rooted vegetation further stabilizes the ground. In flood-prone regions, creating wetlands or building natural flood barriers with soil can absorb and slow down floodwaters, preventing them from reaching populated areas. Soil is incredibly powerful, not just in contributing to natural disasters, but also in helping us protect against them. By understanding the soil's properties and working with nature, we can reduce the impacts of floods and landslides and create safer environments for communities. To sum it up, soil can either amplify the dangers of natural disasters like floods and landslides, or it can help mitigate those risks through careful management. Whether through proper drainage, soil conservation, or vegetation restoration, working with the land is key to disaster prevention. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of natural disasters and how we can protect our planet. Stay safe, and see you next time.